Hello students, in last video we have discussed about the food crops, rice, wheat and millets, pulses, etc. Today we will discuss about the food crops other than grains. First is sugarcane. It is a tropical as well as subtropical crop. Tropic of Cancer is a latitude line which passes through the center of India. To the south of this latitude is known as tropical and the north part is known as subtropical. Sugarcane can be grown in South India as well as North India. It grows well in hot and humid climate. To grow the sugarcane, we require the hot and humid climate. Temperature is about 21 डिग्री सेल्सियस टू 27 डिग्री सेल्सियस. मेज को ग्रो करने के लिए भी सेम टेम्परेचर की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है 21 डिग्री सेल्सियस से 27 डिग्री सेल्सियस. एंड द रेनफॉल टू ग्रो द सुगर केन वी रिक्वायर्ड 75 सेंटीमीटर एंड 100 सेंटीमीटर. द रेनफॉल बिटवीन 75 to 100 centimeter. For rice above 100 centimeter. For wheat 50 centimeter to 75 centimeter, and for sugar cane 75 centimeter to 100 centimeter. The area which receive less rainfall, in such areas we require the irrigation. The sugarcane can be grown on a variety of soils and needs manual labor from sowing to harvesting. A particular soil cannot be termed as suitable for the sugarcane. किसी पार्टिकुलर सॉइल को हम सुगरकेन के लिए सूटेबल नहीं मान सकते हैं. सुगरकेन डिफरेंट टाइप्स की सॉइल्स के ऊपर आसानी से ग्रो हो सकता है, बट वी नीड्स लेबर, मैनुअल लेबर. सुगरकेन को ग्रो करने से लेकर के सुगरकेन को हार्वेस्टिंग करने तक, एट डिफरेंट स्टेज ऑफ सुगरकेन, production of sugarcane, we need the manual labor. India is the second largest producer of sugarcane and largest producer is Brazil. Brazil is the largest producer of sugarcane and India is the second largest producer of sugarcane. Products: sugar, good, khandsari and molasses. These are the products which are produced by the sugarcane in sugar industry. Good is also known as jaggery. Major sugarcane producing states in India are follow as UP, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Bihar, Punjab and Haryana. Out of all these states, UP, Bihar, Punjab and Haryana lies in North India, in subtropical area. Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Telangana, these lies to the South India, or we can say that in the tropical areas. So we can say that sugarcane can be grown in tropical as well as subtropical areas. Now we will discuss about the oil seeds. In 2008, India was the second largest producer of groundnut in the world after China in terms of production, and India is the largest producer in terms of area. अगर हम टोटल प्रोडक्शन के बेस पर देखें, जितनी प्रोडक्शन ग्राउंडनट की होती है उसके बेस पर इंडिया सेकंड प्लेस पर है. अगर एरिया वाइज देखें हम कितने एरिया में ग्राउंडनट प्रोड्यूस की जाती है, ऑन दिस बेसिस, on this aspect, India stand at first place. Rapeseed. Largest producer of rapeseed is Canada. Second largest is China, and third one is India. According to 2008, we can say that India is the third largest producer of rapeseed. Different oil seeds are grown, covering approx 12% of total crop area of the country. The total cropped area in the country is about 54% of total area of the India. इंडिया का जितना टोटल क्रॉप जिसपे हम टोटल एरिया पर कल्टीवेशन होती है उसके लगभग 12% पर इंडिया में ऑयल सीड्स ग्रो की जाती हैं. मेजर ऑयल सीड्स, मेन ऑयल सीड विच प्रोड्यूस इन इंडिया आर मस्टर्ड, कोकोनट, सीसामम. सीसाम is also known as तिल, like rapeseed is known as सफेद सरसों, सोयाबीन, castor seeds, cotton seed is known as binola, linseed and sunflower. These are the main oil seeds which are produced in our country. Most of these are edible. ज़्यादातर जितने भी हमारे ऑयल सीड्स हैं इनसे मिलने प्रोडक्ट्स को हम एडिबल खाने में इस्तेमाल करते हैं. यूज कुकिंग मीडियम्स, अपने किचन के अंदर डिफरेंट आइटम्स को कुक करने के लिए हम यूज करते हैं. बिसाइड द एडिबल्स और कुकिंग मीडियम्स, these oil seeds also used as a raw material in the production of soap, cosmetics, ointments. नहीं, कॉस्मेटिक प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं वो इसलिए ज़्यादा इतने ज़्यादा स्मूथ होते हैं ज़्यादा बिकॉज ऑफ द edible oils are these all oil seeds are mixed in them. The major crop is groundnut among the oil seeds. Kharif crop, it is grown in Kharif season. जितने भी इंडिया में ऑयल सीड्स प्रोड्यूस होते हैं लगभग टोटल एरिया के 12%, टोटल क्रॉप आउट ऑफ टोटल क्रॉप एरिया ऑन द 12% एरिया ऑयल सीड्स आर ग्रोन. टोटल एरिया में से ऑयल सीड्स के टोटल एरिया में से भी मोर देन हाफ में अकेला ग्राउंड नट ग्रो होती है. सो इट अकाउंट फॉर अबाउट द हाफ ऑफ द मेजर ऑयल सीड्स प्रोड्यूस इन इंडिया. मीन लीडिंग प्रोड्यूसिंग स्टेट्स आर गुजरात, आंध्र प्रदेश एंड तमिलनाडु. गुजरात इज द लीडिंग प्रोड्यूसर मेनली of groundnut in India. Linseed and mustard, they are grown in Rabi season. Sesamum means til, it is grown in Kharif season in North India and Rabi season in South India. North India में से Kharif season में ग्रो करते हैं और South India में से Rabi season में ग्रो करते हैं. Castor seed, it is grown in both season, Rabi season as well as Kharif season. Now we will discuss about the horticulture crops. The cultivation of fruits and vegetables is known as horticulture. In 2008, India was the second largest producer of fruits and vegetables in the world after China. Presently also India is the second largest producer of fruits and vegetables and China is the largest producer. In India, we grow the different types of fruits, temperate as well as tropical fruits. The major fruits which are grown in India: mangoes, oranges, bananas, lychee and guava, pineapples, grapes, apple, pear, apricot and walnuts. Mangoes are mainly grown in Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, UP and West Bengal. Majorly Maharashtra is famous for mangoes. Oranges are famous of Nagpur and Cherrapunji. Cherrapunji lies in Meghalaya. Bananas, Kerala, Mizoram, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Lychee and guava, they are grown on large scale mainly in UP and Bihar. Pineapples are famous of Meghalaya. We can say Meghalaya is famous for pineapples. Grapes are grown in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra. Apples, pear, apricot and walnut, all these types of crops, all these types of fruits mainly grown in hilly regions like Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. Now we will discuss about the vegetable, because horticulture crops include both types of crops, fruits as well as vegetables. 13% of the world's vegetable production are grown in India. वर्ल्ड में जितनी वेजिटेबल ग्रो होती है उसका 13% अकेले इंडिया में ग्रो होती है. Mainly the vegetables like pea, cauliflower, onion, cabbage, tomato, brinjal or potato. These are the main vegetables which are grown in India. That's all for today, students.